This used to be our favorite charging spot. Then, of course, things like this can happen as well, where it's not available for public anymore. And that is where I realized charging is not always really free. When we first got the BYD, this charger made EV ownership incredibly easy. It was quick top-ups, nice and chilled, and it was just easy to do our trips without worrying at all. It became part of our routine. But now that has changed with this notice. So now option one would be public charging, which worked really well. And there's always more and more charging around South Africa appearing. Unfortunately, you will be paying every time you charge. Option two is great. It's charging at home, the wall granny charger, but still then your electricity bill will be running up all the time. And the last option, solar setup a bit bigger, and that might help you to manage things better cost-wise. But with that also you will be getting some problems as well. Our current system currently works well, but it's due for upgrade as it's taking a lot of shots on the inverter. So here we are. So you can help me decide to convince me. Public chargers, which is very, I guess, convenient. To home charging, which might be even more convenient for most of us, but costing me also money. And thirdly, solar, which might include an upgrade to my system, which will also cost me money as well. Thank you for your help. Leave a lot of comments, likes, and subscribe.